Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we've got a pasture-raised egg. We've got a beautiful piece of, this is French bread. I'm gonna toast that. And this is hummus. I have a video on how you can make your own hummus. This one I got at Trader Joe's. A little butter, salt and pepper. Greetings, my friends. Mike Foster here. It's another simple fried egg on toast recipe. I've been doing a series of these, and guess what? I love them because I love when the yolk just oozes over that. And I've done a bunch of different ones. This one is on hummus. I'm gonna put that toast down, and we're gonna start by frying this egg. It's very simple. These are called simple fried egg on toast recipes. Check this baby out. All right, here comes some butter on a medium pan. Here's the egg. All right, that's a baby. That's how you do it. While that's cooking on medium, little pepper. That's enough for now. This should go for about a minute or so, and we'll check it. Ready for a flip. Perfect. Shut it off. Let that cook. When that toast is ready, we'll put this baby together. All right, that toast is done. Let's butter it. This is the key. Nice butter on there. I'm not kidding about this part. You say butter and you're gonna put hummus, that's right. You gotta do both. That's how the world works, young lady. Then put that hummus down. Oh, that's gorgeous. This has actually got some black olives in it, so it's an olive hummus. You're like, how's this gonna taste? Well, guess what? It's gonna taste killer diller. You trust me, right? Here's that egg. Perfectly cooked, I might add. There's that beautiful yolk. A couple cracks of peps. A little salt. All right, let's cut into this baby. There's your close-up, by the way. All right, let's see how that looks. Look at that. When it busts like that. There you go. Big bite coming up. There it is. Look at that. Another killer, simple egg recipe on toast. This one has hummus on this French bread. You can definitely taste that tang of that hummus coming in, creaminess of the butter and the yolk, and that awesome toast. Look at all that yolk spilled out. We're not wasting it. We're picking it up like that. Oh, check this one out. That one will get your attention. That's killer diller. But it's also part of my simple fried egg on toast recipes. Check them out. I got a bunch of them. I got over 1,000 videos at my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Tell people about it and keep living life 365 until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
I'm chewing a lot. That's for the outtake. That was pretty good. Pretty good. Look at that yolk. It's spelled. Baba. Hope everybody's staying safe out there and get your vaccination and maybe back to normal soon. I hope.